My name is Sitakan Kamath. I am president of Martial Arts Academy Goa. We had taken a team of 15 players. This is the second time we are going for international championship at Mumbai. It was a karate championship. About 8 countries were there, like Nepal, Kenya. We had Sri Lanka also. Some players played against some players. In fact, last year we had got about 24 medals, 12, roughly about 12. This year we got 18. Out of 18, we got 2 gold, 5 silver and 11 bronze. This year, in fact, there were a lot of new players who entered directly the international arena. Though we project all our players for championship, whether it is karate, wushu, or alpagut or kung fu, main aim of this academy is to promote or rather empowerment of a girl child or woman empowerment. So even on Women's Day, we go and conduct free self-defense camps for some corporates or for factories or so on and so forth. Now basically we have seen many players, most of them out of ladies, 2-3 of them are housewives. Today if you look at their confidence, something called as bare street survival, they are aware. We don't teach violence, but God forbidden, if somebody lands in some unwanted position, he or she should be able to free herself from that particular condition. So to a large extent I am successful in that, and at the end of the day it is a teamwork. Lot of people, players like our Gajanan Kurgaonkar, Rocky, Lazarus, they could not make it because of their professional schedule. But they are also good players. And support of all the parents, their good wishes, blessings. And as a team, at the end of the team, nowadays it is a teamwork, team and team. It cannot be individual show. Compared to all other martial arts classes in Goa, I think we are a different one. Not because of Kung Fu or Karate. At the end of the day, we are martial artists. But here we basically go for a higher age category, more than 30 years and all, because especially ladies of this category, they are totally tied up either with their profession or as a homemaker. Very difficult because they are a pivot of their full family. Now there are some people, we call them as headless heroes. They are without uniform or anything. My wife, who is like main RCC pillar of this academy, in fact, I could confidently take all the ladies and girls and all because of her support. Because I had to report to the stadium quite early in the morning, and by the time I came it was quite late. And a place like Mumbai, going with some kids without their parents and all is pretty risky. So hats off to her, because managing my family plus managing Kung Fu, because this is my extended family. She has a lot of weightage. In fact, her contribution to this tournament is also quite a bit.
Okay, so it was a great experience going and participating in the International Karate Championship. There were more than 7,000 participants, and this is the second time I'm going there. Last time it was a silver, but this time I've managed to get a gold medal. All the credit goes to our sir, our trainer, who trains us in such a way and makes us rough and tough so that we can face any challenges on the street, maybe on the street or any competitions.
It's real woman empowerment, what is called women empowerment. I feel very happy to see these ladies, girls, they are participating, they are practicing in our academy. Thanks to us, especially his training is very important for us and we can face any challenge in our life.
माझे नाव अमिता कोरगांवकर आणि आयज हांव हे मेडल मेळ्या बद्दल खूब खुशी आसा. फर्स्ट टायम हांव इंटरनॅशनल टुर्नामेंटाक मार्शल आर्ट टुर्नामेंट्साक पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लें आसा आनी तितून म्हाका गोल्ड मेडल मेळ्ळें आसा. हेज्या पयलीं हांव गोवान स्टेट लेवलाकूय गेल्लें, लायक म्हापसा पेडेम जाल्लो तेन्ना थंय म्हाका गोल्ड मेडलूच मेळ्ळें. आनी हांव एकूच मॅसेज सगळ्यांक दिवंक सोदतां की अशें बायलांनी घरान बसून अशीच रावची न्हय, आपले सेल्फ डिफेन्स खंयी भायर गेल्या उपरांत आपले सुरक्षा सारकी करपाक लागून अशीच फुडें सरची आनी भायर येवची म्हणून.
My name is Simran Agarwadkar and this is my first time that I have been for an international tournament, and I feel really nice that I have won a silver medal and a bronze medal. This has all been possible because of my father and because of my master and ma'am for their encouragement and guidance.
हांव कुंफू आनी कराटे जॉइन जालो तर लागून फरक लागत आनी म्हाजी वायफ बायल्यान म्हाका सपोर्ट जितलो गेलो की तूं वाच आनी कितें तरी करून दाखय. तशेंच म्हाका सरान जितले सांगान समजावन कितें कितें सांगलें अशें करूंक जाय तें हें करूंक जाय, तेच्या वरून हांव नॅशनलाक पावलो फर्स्ट टायम. ताका लागून आतां हांव तेच्या आभार मानता.
I am Supriya Mutras. I I'm participated in international karate championship and I got bronze medal. It was very good experience and म्हाका अशें दिसनासलें की हांव क्लासीक जॉइन जातलें कित्याक म्हाका स्पॉन्डेलिसीस आशिल्ली आनी बॅक पेन बी आशिल्लो पण सरान म्हाका इतलो सपोर्ट केलो आनी इतलो कॉन्फिडन्स दिलो की हांव ह्या एकेडमीन जॉइन जालें आनी आतां म्हाका कसलोच प्रॉब्लम ना.
And I had won in karate championship, and this time also I had to participate in international karate championship, and I won a bronze medal in kata. Hello my dear friends, my name is Afia Alam. I am going to introduce which medal I have got. I have participated first time in international karate championship. I have got silver medal, and I thank my sir that he supported us for this honor.